Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a subscription in Google Play. So launch the Google Play Store and then tap on your profile icon and then select payment and subscription appears like this, and then you can click subscription and find the subscription you want to cancel and select it. For example, I'm going to select this Office Suite and can click cancel subscription below and select or choose one from the option and tap continue, and then followed by the cancel subscription here. Okay, that's how to cancel a subscription in Google Play. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Bye bye.